Introducing the Apple Watch Series 9 GPS 41mm, your ultimate companion for a smarter, healthier life. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who's always on the go, the Apple Watch Series 9 is designed to keep up with you and exceed your expectations. This sleek, powerful smartwatch combines cutting-edge technology, wellness features, and environmental responsibility, all in one stunning package. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into everything the Apple Watch Series 9 offers and why it's the smartwatch you didn't know you needed. Design that shines, silver aluminum case and winter blue sport loop. Let's start with the design. The Apple Watch Series 9 features a silver aluminum case, giving it that signature Apple aesthetic, elegant, minimalistic, and timeless. The durable aluminum is both lightweight and sturdy, so it's perfect for everyday wear, whether you're hitting the gym or attending meetings. The winter blue sport loop not only adds a subtle pop of color but is also designed for comfort and flexibility. It's made from soft, breathable materials and features an adjustable fit to ensure that it feels as good as it looks, no matter the size of your wrist. But what really makes this design stand out? Apple's focus on sustainability. This watch is carbon neutral, which means you can wear it proudly knowing it's better for the planet. Always-on Retina display, bright, crisp, and unmatched. When it comes to the display, the Apple Watch Series 9 pulls no punches. The always-on Retina display is brighter and clearer than ever before, allowing you to easily read notifications, messages, and fitness stats, even in direct sunlight. Whether you're tracking your workout or just checking the time, you'll appreciate the sharp detail and vivid colors. The 41mm size hits the perfect balance, large enough to make a statement but compact enough to be sleek on any wrist. Fitness tracker and ECG, your personal health assistant. Of course, a smartwatch wouldn't be complete without robust health and fitness tracking, and the Apple Watch Series 9 delivers in every way. It's your ultimate fitness partner, capable of tracking a wide range of activities like walking, running, cycling, swimming, and more. With precise heart rate monitoring, step counts, calorie tracking, and even elevation stats, this watch goes beyond just a basic fitness tracker. One of the standout features is the ECG app. The Series 9 lets you take an electrocardiogram right from your wrist, offering insights into your heart health that were previously only available through medical equipment. Whether you're keeping an eye on your heart rate during a workout or monitoring your overall cardiovascular health, this feature gives you peace of mind. Seamless connectivity, GPS, calls, and notifications. With built-in GPS, the Apple Watch Series 9 ensures that you can leave your phone behind on a run or hike and still track your route accurately. Plus, the smartwatch keeps you connected, receive calls, reply to messages, and get notifications all directly on your wrist. You can also use Siri to set reminders, check the weather, or control your smart home devices, all without picking up your phone. Smarter features for a smarter life. This smartwatch is more than just fitness tracking and notifications. Apple's ecosystem integrates seamlessly with your other devices, allowing you to access Apple Music, podcasts, and Apple Pay directly from your wrist. The Apple Watch Series 9 is also swim-proof, meaning it's ready for pool days, ocean adventures, or even just a quick dip in the shower. A step ahead in technology and sustainability. The Apple Watch Series 9 GPS 41mm is a smartwatch that's not only packed with high-end features but is also mindful of the environment. With its carbon neutral certification, you're making a choice that's not just good for you, but good for the planet too. Whether you're tracking your fitness, staying connected on the go, or simply enjoying the sleek design, the Apple Watch Series 9 is truly your next-gen companion for a smarter, healthier, and more connected life. Thanks for sticking around for our full review of the Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. And remember, if you're ready to grab one of these, the product link is waiting for you down in the description. See you in the next video.